best tools elevate your craftsmanship with precision and quality. Wood-turning tools help you create smooth finishes and intricate designs. They enhance your woodworking experience. Having the right tools makes the process more enjoyable and efficient. You'll want tools that are durable and comfortable to use. A well-chosen set can improve your skills. List 1. Aliexpress Carbide Tip Wood Lathe Turning Tool Set. With bowl sander, the interchangeable aluminum alloy handle offers comfort and versatility. Includes 8 carbide inserts for various wood-turning tasks. Ideal for both roughing and finishing projects. Enhance your craftsmanship with reliable tools designed for quality results. Advantages: enhance your wood-turning skills with precise carbide tips. These tips ensure smooth cuts and fine finishes. Enjoy the versatility of interchangeable tools. Switch handles and inserts easily for different projects. List 2. Definite Carbide Tip Wood Lathe Turning Tool Set with Bowl Sander. Discover the Definite Carbide Tip Wood Lathe Turning Tool Set, perfect for crafting beautiful wood pieces. This set includes a bowl sander and a hollowing tool, made with an interchangeable aluminum alloy handle for comfort. Comes with 4 carbide inserts for precision, ideal for both roughing and finishing tasks. Advantages: versatile design suits both roughing and finishing wood-turning tasks. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. Carbide inserts ensure long-lasting sharpness and precision. Consistent results every time. List 3. Carbide lathe tools, Christmas gifts. Discover the joy of woodworking with these carbide lathe tools, perfect for Christmas gifts. They offer versatility and precision. The removable handle allows easy adjustments for any project. Latest upgraded features include an adjustable connector and swan neck hollower. Get smoother finishes and perfect rough edges with this alloy tool set, ideal for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Advantages: versatile tool set for wood-turning projects, perfect for hobbyists and professionals. Removable handle offers comfort and control, easy to use for all. Includes swan neck hollower for detailed work. Achieve precision effortlessly. List 4. Rui Tool Carbide Wood Lathe Turning Tools Set with Bowl Sander. Discover the Rui Tool Carbide Wood Lathe Turning Tools Set, perfect for wood-turning enthusiasts. This set includes a swan neck hollower, rougher, finisher, and detailer. Enjoy smooth sanding with 1-inch and 2-inch mandrels, plus a variety of sandpapers. Crafted with durable aluminum alloy handles for a comfortable grip. Ideal for creating beautiful wood bowls and intricate designs. Advantages: craft intricate designs with ease using carbide tips. These tools slice through wood smoothly. Explore versatility with the swan neck hollower for deep curves, perfect for bowls and vases. List number: Moforn Woodworking Lathe Chisel Set, 8-piece set, lathe, chisel, HSS steel blades. Discover the Moforn Woodworking Lathe Chisel Set, perfect for wood carving enthusiasts. 8 high-quality HSS steel blades ensure precision and durability. Ideal for root, furniture, and lathe carving projects. The wooden case keeps tools organized and safe. Enhance your creative woodworking experience with reliable tools. Advantages: quality craftsmanship ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The Moforn Woodworking Lathe Chisel Set features HSS steel blades, perfect for wood carving, furniture carving, and root carving projects.